Ka kunhun menteri balai lam dong menteri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma ha ka singi balang kata ha ka khatlai tarik ubna yayong arajar arpar ula lum kerki ya ka jingelang Halor ka jing penmi hukum ka ying bishar ka Jylla bala pensinge thung kam shwa namar ka yai lait kat kum ka baha thung kam thung jam kumta ha kete ka jingelang ka kunhun jong ki menteri kalakmi benia bha ya korkom thung kam ha kitanat Sorkar bapher bat badai baniai kat kum ka reservation policy Halor ketika phang jong ka bha thungkam thungjam ya ka baga ying bishar kapan Jubab nang Sorkar Meghalaya ka kunhun menteri kalapan por ban penkre ban ai Jubab ya tu konrat ke sangma watla kani ka kunhun menteri kala shong ya tai sani bha henry kamla ban ai ya ka ying bishar bodon buram ka Meghalaya High Court ban nagalyang jong menteri ramba ka Jylla konrat ke sangma ula khanyat sya ka chief secretary berkatanat personal ban ai Jubab shushu menteri ramba ula itu bak Sorkar kan sim khia ya kene ban ai Jubab.
Yeah, so we had only one agenda in the cabinet today, and was regarding the court matter of the reservation policy issue. And so we have discussed in detail, and we are still in the mode of preparing the entire reply and the affidavit. So there is a bit more homework and the details have to be added to the whole thing. So we're going to take it up in the next few days again. So we did not conclude it today. And we're still preparing the entire reply to the and the affidavit has been prepared.
So what is the reason
because it's a lot of things, there are a lot of issues there. So therefore, obviously, and it's an important issue. So we need to ensure that we do our homework properly. So that we are in the process of doing that. So more information, more details have been collected.
Sir, what about GHDC audit reports, sir?
That was not part of the agenda today.
But what about...
I don't have the information with me right now. That I'll have to ask my team. You can ask the DCA minister about that.
So what is the reason for the government not having this rooster system in place, sir?
It was not there in the last 50 years since the reservation policy was not put up. And we had in fact created a first roster for the PWDs. In fact, it was not there for the physically disabled also. But it was this government that did that in the past, and based on the roster system, now there is a proper chart that is followed in that. And as the court is now directed that this thing has to be looked into. So we are examining it now, and we are doing our entire homework before we come to the final affidavit reply to the High Court.